Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion today. These are the tools for today's time-lapse. This is a rake. I'll be using a lot of these basically. I do not have time to show you all of them because there's a whole whack of tiny ones I have. These will be the knives I'm using, basically a scalpel and my trusty old one that I've had for a very long time, probably about 25 years. A pair of tweezers for those hard to reach places and tiny details, and a rubber sculpting tool. Now these are kind of neat. I'm not sure if that is the proper term because I know there's kind of a few different names for these tools out there, but that's what I'm going to refer to them in this video. If there's another term you know, let me know in the comment section below. And of course some paintbrushes, but I probably won't be using those too much. And of course some modeling glue because, well, we're working on a model. Anyway, let's begin, and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, I apologize for stopping the time lapse, but I figured I'd give you guys a quick reference as to what was actually happening during that, well, blur of hand motion movements. But basically, I'm using the rake tool a lot and various other little rakes to basically clean off the entire car, and this is just a little last segment of the roof, basically cleaning up what, well, my hands left behind from cleaning it up. So I figured I would just kind of give you a little bit more of a slowed down version so you can get an idea of what actually takes to make these things, as it is a very long time consuming process. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can see the bonus burnout video of when this thing was first created. Also, another thing that's taking place during that mirage, as you can see, my hand is kind of, well, petting the car, for lack of a better term. It's kind of basically the same thing you do during auto body, and all I'm really doing is basically feeling out for little dents or intrusions in the car itself, and or just kind of cleaning away any little bits of clay that have, well, haven't scraped away. And smack the camera for good measure. And this is all the unnecessary leftovers we no longer want. And if you haven't already, be sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content. I post every Tuesday and Friday. And here's what it looks like after. As you can see, there isn't a whole lot of difference what it looked like from before, but all the little dirt bits and trim pieces are now a lot cleaner and it looks a little more presentable. Anyway, here's our bonus burnout video. Sorry, just kidding, here it is.